Joe. Oh, flying. He's the job in the barrel. That is good. Level up racing, and he's leading the charge. Man, he's flying on the front end of heat number 10. That final feature heat tonight. That dash for cash heat, they're going to have to get it in gear. They're trying to close the gap on him. They are closing the gap on him. But he's got a big lead as he goes to the far turn. Far turning into the racetrack. The cut off there. I don't think they're going to catch him tonight. He did a job on the barrel. It's the level up car for racing.